And there is Arinda. Ordang in visual and in blue. That's real Christmas tree, that's very big, very beautiful. And this is me for today. It's sunny day, but it's very cold. Local temperature now is 0. It's